In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a homepage with Circle. So, whether you're setting up a new community or just enhancing your existing one, a well-crafted homepage is essential to making a great impression and providing your members with the necessary information. Let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process step by step. First, you need to log into your Circle.so account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, access your account by clicking on your profile photo, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select Settings, then navigate to the Branding section. Here, you have the opportunity to infuse your personal or community touch by customizing different aspects of your homepage. Scrolling down a bit, you should see the section labeled Landing Homepage. Click on Edit Homepage to begin customizing it to suit the unique needs of your community. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a page title and a description. This is the perfect moment to think about what message you want to convey to your first-time visitors. Is there a particular tone or style that aligns with your community's values? Be concise and clear to set the right expectations from the start. Next, it's time to make your homepage visually appealing. Click on the option to upload a header image or logo. This is an ideal chance to build brand recognition. Ensure you select an image that is both high quality and representative of your community. Once that's set, consider adding a call to action button. This could be anything from learn more to join us or any action you wish to prompt. Enter both the button text and the URL link where you want your users to be directed. A strong call to action can guide your visitors to engage more deeply with your content. You also have the option to toggle options to show plans or a join button if these are relevant to your setup. This step is optional, so decide based on how you want users to interact with your community from the first visit. After all these personal touches, remember to scroll down and click Save Changes. This might seem basic, but it's a vital step to ensure all the customizations you've made are applied to your home page. Finally, to see all your hard work in action, click View Homepage at the top of the screen. Take some time to review how your changes appear live and ensure everything is aligned with your vision. And there you have it, a fully customized homepage that sets the tone for your Circle.so community. Feel free to make adjustments as your community evolves, ensuring it always meets your needs and those of your members. Happy customizing!